What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. On today's deck activity na Decogenia shared on Instagram their happy moments yesterday together with his family. Decogenia had a blast and a happy day. On Instagram post, one of her aunt posted on Instagram a short video clip that shows that they're having a dinner outside of the hotel. They ordered a lot of delicious food that make them satisfied. Earlier, Takikimiya and family got to stroll in the beautiful seaside of the resort. As you can see, they look so happy. They also cute with their matchy outfit. Last day, on recess activity, recess peer band got a tour on Elvis Dream. Instagram post recess peer band. I look so happy seeing their favorite collection from LV. All of the items from LV that look so amazing. Recess Spearban enjoys it every time when she is in Paris.